Hi guys, this is Kempton from Emoko. Today we are going to unbox and show you how to set up or self-assemble our A19 model. Now take out the protective foam. Now let's check out the front wheel. This is extra pedal for you to have grip on your feet. Here's our front fender. Now let's check out the scooter. Hi guys, now let's unfold our scooter and let's put our handlebar in place and fasten it. Now let's check out the screws to secure our handlebar. Okay, so let's put our scooter on this tool so that we have much space to mount our fender and our front wheel. Now we install the front fender before we install the wheel. Now use the tools to remove the screws so that you'll be able to install the front fender. Now let's put in the fender. Make sure the screw is all aligned and let's fasten to make it tight. Now let's make sure we align our front wheel, so we remove some of the screws so that we can align properly. Then after that we can put back. Make sure you align so that your wheel will be attached properly. Now let's try to make our brake system work. So first of all, we remove some of the pads so that it's easy to install. Now let's put back the rubber. Let's align on the instrument. Let's put on the screw. Now let's adjust our brakes. So we test. If they are not well, we adjust again. We test until they're strong enough.